Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be redoing my wig making slash office area because it is very unorganized and all the things that I've been getting is getting really overwhelming and piled up. So this is the way that my office looks right now. It's like halfway packed up, halfway things everywhere. I am actually going to be using the Pax system from Ikea. I'm going to be putting it on this wall over here and getting all my things organized and get my office ready and redecorated. So stay tuned and watch all the way through for the finished product. We are back with another banger. All right, you guys, so this is the finished product of my pack system for my business storage that I'm going to be using. Everything is pretty much filled up to capacity. I have some shelves that just have some light stuff on it, not too much. And I did use the very top part of it as storage as well, which is actually diminishing. I need to order some more boxes and stuff like that. But this is what I put in my storage system, starting from my first cabinet. This one, I just have like my kids' hair stuff, random little things. I got these from Ikea for storage as well, but I didn't end up using them. I have my QB business shirts, some hair color bags for my products, weight scale for my products as well. This just has random hair inside. And these have, you know, hair color, random little storage stuff for stuff that I barely even use. Storage bags, literally like random stuff in these drawers. And then I have my business cards and stickers in here, business tape, wrapping paper, some of these wig grips in here. In these drawers I have, this drawer is halfway gone, but I have my hair brushes for my business, my hair combs, QB combs for my business as well. This one's full. And I have more brushes, a full drawer of brushes in here. And down here I just have random storage. So eyelash boxes, my QB elastic bands, paper when I need it. So that's all in the first one. The second one, I normally keep both of my sewing machines up here. I only have one and the other one's over at my desk. And some random things. I have all my hair color, shampoo and conditioner for my wigs that I use, coloring bowls and stuff. Styling products in this first bin with some sprays and stuff like that. My business bonnets and QB bags in this drawer. Yeah, QB bags and bonnets in here. All of my wig caps are in this one here, the ones that I sell and the ones that I use. In this first drawer I have backdrops that I use for my wigs, some bags that I use for shipping, lace glue, my edge brushes that I sell on my website. And in here I have all of my wig caps that I give for my wigs that I ship out. So all of these are in here by color. In this drawer I have literally a bunch of random hair, full bundles and stuff, and my curling irons, blow dryers, everything like that. And on the very bottom I have books that I've already read and that I haven't read right down there. So those are at the very bottom. I didn't even know where I was gonna put those. And in this last area over here, this is where I normally like hang my hair at, but I take it to work so I don't need as much hanging space that I thought I was gonna need. So I just use that for random storage, for shipping boxes, my blockheads, wigs that I make, hair wigs that I need to make for clients. And down here at the bottom I just store my locks that I sell. This is what they look like. So I have a storage for that down there, and then random hair storage and wigs over here. So that's pretty much it. At the very top I store purses, my kids' piggy banks, shipping boxes and things like that. So this storage is amazing. I love it. I would definitely put it in, you know, a future house or a future room if I decide to use it for like myself or my kids, or in an actual closet, because Ikea has way more different sizes and stuff like that. So, and you can put doors on them. You can do whatever you want to these cabinets at Ikea. They have everything you need. So I customized it to how I need it to be, and I can always switch it to something else later. But this is my pack system. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.